Hey Nightingale, feel sorry and cry for me. There's nothing else to do. Pour the wine. I'm not proud of my wine-stained cloak, but the priests aren't sober. They're drunk on pride. To the brutish lovers you give no pain. Only us freethinkers would want to be bound like that. Pure love comes from a divine source, not from ruby lips and pretty figures. Beauty isn't in the eyes, the hair, the skin, the face. There's many secrets there, but Baraka isn't one of them. The fine silk robes of the ignorant aren't worth a penny in the kingdom of truth. It's nearly impossible to reach you. It's hard to climb that high in the sky. Hafiz, don't pester the beloved with moaning. Limitless bliss comes to those who do not bother.